Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Today we're gonna begin the creation of 7 Gatefold cards using the dies, stamps and products included in the Tonic Craft Kit 55, a kit designed for the creation of elegant boxes. I don't like making boxes, to be honest, so I'd like to show you how to use the kit just to make cards. Of course, you can use the ideas and techniques that I'm gonna propose to you to also create boxes, perhaps combining them with the cards. I have neglected the channel a bit lately, but in addition to going on vacation, I was also a bit sick due to the COVID. And icing on the cake, at work they changed all my shifts. So, in short, I have to reorganize myself and my time. But now stop wasting time and let's start using this elegant and floral kit right away. To create the Gatefold card, I'm gonna use this die of the kit. By die cutting twice, we will get the flaps for the card. For the base, I have to adapt the measurements to the measures of the flaps. Then I'm going to die cut a 4 and 1/8 by 5 and 5/16 rectangle. For me, using inch measurement is a bit tricky. So in the image you can see the line that marks these 5 and 5/16 inches. Otherwise, take the pencil and mark where to cut out the paper, as I'm doing here. After doing this, I took the ruler to actually know the measurement. Okay, I'm going to assemble everything. And the card base is ready. Now let's take this die of the kit, which will be the focal point of all the cards that I gonna propose to you. In fact, I'll give you 7 different techniques on how to use it. Therefore, together with its coordinated die, I'm going to die cut 4 panels for this card. To be precise, since I'm gonna use these figures for all these 7 cards, I die cut 14 times. In this way, I will already have all the panels ready to go, all identical, which is very important for what I'm going to do. The boring part of this process is remove all the small pieces from the intricate die cut. I help myself to speed up this process with this special tool, but I have to be honest, in any case it takes time to clean 14 panels. I tell you the time it took for this one, exactly 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It's not a lot. And in any case, the beauty of the intricate die cut deserves this time. Continuing with the card, I'm going to die cut 2 full panels with the matching die, and on the top I'm going to glue one of the intricate panels. Yes, for some panels I used leftover paper. Good. Now the fun part. For this card I'm going to propose the glass mosaic technique, one of my favorite techniques to use on intricate dies. I have already shown you many times how to achieve this effect, and for this card I'm gonna propose you the simplest one ever. But let's go in order. First, let's color the panel with alcohol markers. You can change the colors using whatever you like. I am using the 3 Nuvo markers included in the kit, plus a light teal one to detach a little from these bright colors. For the frame, on the other hand, I want to be a little bit crazy and spread out the glimmer paste included in the kit. Let's cover the central part well and spread out the green glimmer paste. I let it dry. Half an hour, 1 hour should be enough. Before making disasters, always check by gently touching the paste. Once dry, to get the glass effect, this time I'm going to glue a piece of acetate sheet. Last times I used the glossy accent or the Nuvo gel drops. So this is the fastest and cleanest alternative to achieve the same effect. Okay, now it looks like a little mess, but this is where the second die cut comes to help us, which will cover all this mess, finishing the design. Before gluing the panels, I glue a piece of pink ribbon included in the kit on each side of the flaps. This will be the closure of the gatefold card. There are several ways to create gatefold card closures, and in the next videos I'll show you some of them. Now I glue the panels. And create a bow. I finish the card creating some drops of pink and dark pink crystal drops on the sides. And this was the first of the 7 gatefold cards. I look forward to seeing you at the next video, where I'm gonna propose you another simple idea on how to use the intricate rectangle die included in the kit and a different and particular closure for the gatefold card. Thanks for watching this video, bye bye and be colorful!